So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Got a new little setting here because I'm outside on the patio. And today I am going to spray my ornaments. So I was looking on YouTube and I got a whole bunch of glitter ornaments and stuff because I love the glitter. It looks beautiful, but it gets everywhere. So I looked up some videos on how to make it not as messy and make sure the ornaments keep all the glitter on them. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. You will only need 4 items, and the first one is gloves. Make sure you wear gloves because I did the first layer without gloves and shouldn't have did that. So make sure you have gloves. Second thing is this clear glaze. I got the Cryoline clear glaze. I got this from Michael's. It was $9.99, but I did have a coupon and it ended up being $5. And then you will need your ornaments, your glittery ornaments, which here's one of mine. And then you will also need like cardboard, so like a box, any old box or anything like that, so you can put the ornaments on and you don't mess anything else up with the glaze. So let's get started. As I said, I already did put 1 layer on. I'm putting 2 layers on to make sure everything stays in place. Sprayed all of the ornaments, I am going to let them sit outside for probably about an hour, and then I will bring them in and sit them on another cardboard piece so they could just dry, because you need to let them dry for 24 hours before you handle them and put them on your tree and everything. Right now I am in the kitchen. I'm about to show you the ornaments that I did a little bit earlier, probably about 2 hours ago. And I'm going to show you those so you can see what the process looks like. So I got my elephant and I got these pink and gold ornaments. And these have been drying so far for 2 hours. So they got 22 more hours to go. It has been about 21 hours, so we got 3 more hours to go still. But I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm touching it. When I first bought them, there was glitter everywhere. Look at this. So I still got some glitter, but it's nothing like what it was. So that just means I missed some spots. But when I bought these, like, the glitter was everywhere. All right, everyone, thank you again for watching. I'm going to put the steps below, and also the things that you'll need, the materials that you'll need to do this DIY. And if you have any questions, you could just put them in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. And thank you for watching. Bye.